Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give shapes a shadow on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the shape that you want to go about giving a shadow to. And then up at the top above drawing where it says shape effects, go ahead and click the drop down. And you want to select where it says shadow, and then you can select various shadow themes. They may be more apparent depending on what color your current shape is. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.